just works on SD cards, so you got like a 16 meg in there, and you got an 8 meg too.